5 apple cider vinegar mixtures that will clean arteries, lower high blood pressure. A spoonful of sugar may help the medicine go down, but what about a spoonful of apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar has become the all-healing potion of the 21st century. From lowering blood sugar to losing weight, and from soothing a sore throat to using it as a facial toner, apple cider vinegar has emerged as modern humanity's answer to all. One area where the use of apple cider vinegar is exceptional is heart health. High blood pressure, aka hypertension, is undoubtedly the most common type of cardiovascular ailments. According to the Centers for Disease Control, about 1 in 3 Americans have hypertension, which are blood pressure levels that are higher than normal. Including apple cider vinegar in your diet can be extremely beneficial in lowering existing or risk of hypertension and other cardiovascular problems. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented and crushed apples. Yeast and bacteria are used to break apple sugars into acetic acid. So, apple cider vinegar contains 5 to 6% of acetic acid, which helps in reducing blood pressure. Moreover, this magic liquid also contains useful minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which are also helpful to improve your heart health. So, you might have already guessed, today we will discuss about the wonders of apple cider vinegar. First of all, let's have a look at how we can make apple cider vinegar a part of our life. And before going any further, we strongly suggest you not skip the precautions we have added at the end of the video. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, be sure to stick around to watch the video till the end. How to drink apple cider vinegar. Doctors often recommend to consume 2 or 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar a day. You should divide those amounts in 2 or 3 doses, spread throughout the day, like 1 tablespoon in the morning, 1 before lunch, and 1 before dinner. One thing you should keep in mind is that the safest way to drink apple cider vinegar is to drink it diluted. And also, if you're not used to the taste and smell of apple cider vinegar, it is better to start with just 1 tablespoon a day and gradually build up to 3 tablespoons a day. Recipe number 1. Apple cider vinegar with ginger, lemon, and honey. This mixture is loaded with vitamins, minerals, cleansing enzymes, beneficial bacteria, and probiotics. To make this mixture, combine all the ingredients. First of all, add 250 milliliters or 1 glass of water. In a large pot, make sure to use warm water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. And finally, add 1.5 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Mix until well incorporated. Pour into serving glasses. Enjoy it chilled over ice if preferred. You can store this for a week. Just pour this into a mason jar and remember to shake well before drinking. Recipe number 2. If you always like your food with a little bit of spice, our next recipe is for you. Let's have a look at the ingredients. First of all, you will need 4 tablespoons of water. Add 1 pinch of black pepper and 1/4 of a teaspoon of fresh ginger or ginger powder. Next, you will obviously need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Put all these items in a glass and drink. That's it. You can take this 2 times a day, once early in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach, and once more in the afternoon. Recipe number 3. There are some other ways where you can mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Add some ginger or turmeric for their antioxidant qualities. Recipe number 4. You can also prepare apple cider popcorns for your movie nights as well. For this, you will need 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels, 1½ tablespoons of coconut oil or extra virgin avocado or walnut oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, sea salt and pepper for your taste buds. Take a large pot with the lid on. Heat the oil in and throw some popcorn kernels in. Once the popcorn kernels start to pop, then you should add the rest of the kernels. Put the lid on, but make sure to leave a small opening to let the steam out. When your popcorns are ready, put them all in a large bowl. Add salt and pepper and next drizzle some apple cider vinegar. Toss the popcorns to ensure that they are mixed well. Recipe number 5. Add 1 tablespoon of raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass. Next, add plain water and fruit juice in the glass. Some may suggest that you use lukewarm water, but it's your choice. That's it. We're finished. Now, chug it for glory. Miscellaneous use. When you are having meat or vegetable salad, you can just drizzle some apple cider vinegar on top of it. You may also add apple cider vinegar in a smoothie. You can also add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in raw tea and drink it as a refreshing beverage. However, before chugging apple cider vinegar on a daily basis, you must keep in mind the following points. Precaution number 1. People with pre-existing kidney issues should not drink apple cider vinegar without discussing with their doctors. Weak or immunocompromised kidneys are often not ready to process a highly acidic substance, such as apple cider vinegar. Precaution number 2. As I have already told, the nature of apple cider vinegar is acidic. If you consume too much food of acidic nature, it damages the enamel and decays your tooth. The risk is highest when you consume apple cider vinegar without diluting it. Besides, try to drink the diluted apple cider vinegar using a straw to minimize the contact between your teeth and the liquid. Precaution number 3. If you are a patient of high blood pressure, it will benefit you to make apple cider vinegar a part of your life. But this is not a substitute for your ongoing medication. Precaution number 4. When you take apple cider vinegar on a regular basis, it slows the rate at which food is processed in the stomach, so you will feel full for a long period of time. For some people, this helps a lot in weight loss. However, due to this very nature of apple cider vinegar, some may feel a loss of appetite. You may also feel bloated, gaseous, and nauseous. Precaution number 5. While apple cider vinegar always helps to improve your gut health, it tends to increase the amount of water into your bowel. So, don't be surprised if your stool comes out watery and more frequently. People who travel a lot and are afraid of dealing with diarrhea should take a moment to think before making apple cider vinegar a part of their daily lives. We hope you keep in mind the necessary precautions and make the best use of apple cider vinegar. Last but not the least, you must avoid the consumption of fried red meat, processed products, and junk foods. Doing some cardio every day or every other day is the best way to improve your entire cardiovascular system. Or you can just go out running, cycling, or even stay at home and do some home workouts like mountain climbers or running in place. It's free, and more importantly, it works. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.